Hello, today we will guide you through how to create UML diagram in Lucidchart. To begin, open Lucidchart and go to the Documents area. This is your main workspace where you can access existing files or start something new from scratch. Once you're there, click on New. This opens the options for creating a fresh diagram. From the menu, choose Blank Document. Starting with a blank file is useful here because it gives you a clean canvas and lets you build your UML diagram exactly the way you want, without needing to remove any preloaded elements. If a prompt appears, click. Create a document anyway to continue. This simply confirms that you want to move forward with an empty document. Once the new document opens, look to the left-hand toolbar and click on Shapes. This is where Lucidchart lets you manage the diagram libraries available in your workspace. If you don't already see UML shapes listed, click on More Shapes. That will open the full Shape Library Settings panel. In that panel, scroll down until you find UML. Take your time here, since Lucidchart includes many shape categories, and the UML option may be farther down the list. When you locate it, click the checkbox for UML to enable that shape library. This step is important because it adds the UML specific symbols you'll need for building your diagram, such as class boxes and related diagram elements. After selecting UML, click Close. You should now return to your document, and the UML shapes will be available in the left sidebar. At this point, you're ready to begin placing elements onto the canvas. Now drag and drop a sample UML shape from the left panel into your document. This is the first building block of your diagram. You can place it anywhere on the canvas to start laying out your structure. A helpful tip is to leave a bit of space around your first shape so it's easier to expand the diagram later as you add more components. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Lucidchart document, enabled the UML shape library, and added your first UML shape to the canvas. From here, you can continue building out your diagram using the same drag and drop approach with the UML tools now available in your sidebar.